akin ang ating mga dancers na judges. And speaking of our judges, allow me to introduce to you. Thank you very much. Ano bang pangalan mo, kuya?
Hello, I'm Nielsen Ignacio.
Ano pangalan?
Nielsen.
Nielsen. Talaga bang gwapo ang mga taga-engineer? Thank you, Nielsen. Thank you, Arian. Wala mong katulong si Nielsen. Baka naman masyado siyang makagod nito.
Tayo na ron!
Well, anyway, going back, allow me to introduce to you the members of the Board of Judges. Sila ang medyo mahihirapan dahil talagang magagaling ang ating mga performers ngayong gabi. Alright, our first judge is not a stranger to the College of Engineering. We first met her at last year's GA when she performed with her group. She is a founder of